What's the meaning of collegiate? Collegiate. Collegiate.
Collegiate. Collegiate. Collegiate refers to anything that is related to or characteristic of a college or university. It can refer to the academic environment, the traditions and culture, the faculty and staff, or the students and alumni associated with a higher education institution. The term is often used to describe activities, events, or organizations that are specific to college life. In general, collegiate connotes a sense of intellectual rigor, social engagement, and personal development that is associated with the pursuit of higher education.